The New York-New Jersey Trail Conference Conservation Corps program is essential in tackling conservation priorities in our region. In return, this program provides early career environmentalists with invaluable hands-on experience, professional development, and networking opportunities. Let's see what our invasive strike force crews have to say about their experience as Corps members.
I think I've really fallen in love with this field. Graduating, I was really unsure of what I wanted to do, but now I'm pretty certain that I want to continue doing environmental field work.
I wanted to get my feet wet before I hopped into a career I sit down in, and this was a really nice way to do it.
It was the opportunity to do field work. That's something I never really had experience in before, and it's something I found that I really enjoy and want to keep doing.
Not only did I get to see beautiful places all this season, it's just been fun to be in the fresh air and be in the open.
Being outside is always something that has been critical to my identity, and this has just kind of made me feel like myself.
My role as a leader has definitely given me skills in management and organization that I can continue to use throughout my career.
The main takeaway is all the skills I learned throughout the season and being able to implement those in future jobs.
If you like the outdoors, you don't mind rugged conditions, and you want to feel like you're making a difference, this is a great step forward.
It was a great experience to be able to get data that will help protect the environment that I love so much.
It is so rewarding to see the Corps members grow and flourish throughout the season. We're thoroughly thankful for their service and wish them the very best in continuing their careers.
I am more equipped to handle the professional world than I was at the start.